What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how TikTok Shop is literally killing the game right now when it comes to e-commerce. Just a quick little pointer before we get into this. I'm Sage. I've been in the game for about 10 years and I've started in Shopify, scaled brands, multiple brands in the meta catalog space and on Shopify. So without further ado, this is how you scale your brand from 6 to 7 figures, 7 to 8 figures, or if you're just launching, what you need to know to get into TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop's a bit interesting. Actually, TikTok Shop, you're gonna need an EIN, you're going to need a business registration number to get into it. But once you have that shop registered, you should be able to easily file and get all of your information in order. But you're going to want to be in the US to have all this, or to have a US business registry. And so the next thing that you're going to want to do are your products. And so getting all your products listed and getting them listed online and making sure that you have the right listings optimized. It's not always easy to get those listings optimized because you'll probably need to register a few products and realize you might have some policy violations come up on your actual listing. It can be an issue, but I have videos on how to kind of get through that and kind of get towards optimization. I've been working on TikTok Shop for quite a long time, and with a few remedies like trimming down your titles and your descriptions and just getting your product registered, then you'll be ready and good to go. And the most important thing in order to get sales, and it's what we've seen viral products with 8-figure sales, from people who have been on Shark Tank to people who have been just top Shopify sellers in the gym space or in the apparel space, we've seen them do well with this last thing, and that's a good cup of coffee. But no, I'm just kidding. You know, influencer marketing is everything right now, especially because content is everything right now. And that kind of brings me to that last point. Increase your use cases, increase the organic side of those use cases, and make sure to do volumes of them. You don't have to do so many different creators or work with so many different crazy influencers. Now, all of this is kind of daunting when you're initially started. You don't even have your influencer marketing list together. You don't really know exactly what you're doing, so I'm gonna help you out. So content's key, but platform is everything. So making sure that you have the right platform chosen and the right category for the influencers and the content that you're putting out is going to put you leagues ahead of most of the competition. Now, you're probably wondering how I know so much about this. Like I said, I've been in the Shopify space, I've been in the influencer space for a while. I've run a lot of top 1% brands and the little faceless accounts that you don't or might not know about that are actually driving crazy revenue for a lot of the Shopify TikTok shops around. If you need help, I got you guys. I'll make it real simple. We can work together. Let me know. Thanks, guys. I hope this helps. Peace.